No one likes getting paid once a year, not even the government. So, in order to avoid getting paid only at tax time in April, the IRS requires you to prepay your taxes. During your working years, the government takes a portion of every paycheck that you receive to prepay your taxes throughout the year. The money that Uncle Sam skims from your paycheck is called your tax withholding. After you retire and you are no longer receiving paychecks, your withholding may stop. In order for you to continue prepaying your taxes, the government requires you to make quarterly estimate payments. Each April, your tax accountant will figure out how much you will need to prepay. This amount is then divided into 4 estimate payments. Estimate payments are due 4 times a year, on the 15th of January, April, June, and September. Make sure you pay on time, or you might risk an underpayment penalty. Thankfully, it's easy to remember using a familiar rhyme. New Year pay, like September, April, June, not whenever. There is another way you can prepay your taxes, besides estimate payments, that you may not have considered before. In your retirement years, taxes can be withheld from your pension, Social Security, required minimum distribution, or other retirement account distributions, just like it was from your paycheck. When your tax accountant figures out what you will need to prepay in April, ask your advisor how to set up tax withholding from these sources. You may not need to make estimate payments at all. If the fog is lifting and you want to know more, simply click the link on your screen.